Hey everybody, welcome back. We're going to open some 2019 Stadium Club retail. I have 2 blasters and 4 value packs. These aren't super fat packs. They only have 12 cards each. I think as usual the Stadium Club blasters don't guarantee any kind of hit. They haven't over the past few years, so I don't know why that would change. I love how they say 7 packs plus 1 extra pack. Just say 8 packs. You know, come on. It does say look for autograph cards, so autographs are possible. Look for chrome parallels, which are also found in the hobbies. And let's check out the odds and ends here. Alright. You know what I just realized? Oh, never mind. Scratch that. Anyways, red foil, black foil, same as hobby. Sepia. I don't know if sepia is in hobby or not. I don't think it is. Rainbow foil board, 1 in 235. First day issue, members only. Those are both in hobby. Photographer's proof is base chrome variation, 1 in 24. The refractors are 1 in 96. I don't know if you guys watched the retail hobby breaks, but I pulled a Sosa refractor that was really sweet. Orange, 1 in 198. Gold minted, 1 in 193. They've got a lot of different parallels. They're a little bit tough to get, but they're there if you're lucky enough. Let's get into this. See what we get. Excuse me, fat packs. Alright. Cano, Abreu, Upton. Up. There's an orange. Jose Berrios. Although, is that an orange or is that a sepia? Oh, Stadium Club, you tricky devil. I'm guessing orange because in the case of the black foil and the red foil, it is where the letters and the Stadium Club logo are. But this is clearly sepia too, so want. Comment below and let me know what you think. Do you think it's orange or do you think it's sepia? Either way, it's a tough pull. Reed Foley rookie. A really tough pull. Donaldson, Jansen rookie. This is my 3rd Power Zone Bo Jackson. Piscotti and Carpenter. I still need to go through all of my hobby cards to see if I have any variations. I haven't done that yet. Just short on time. Always short on time. Albies, Aguilar, Rodriguez. Ooh, red Reggie Jackson. And Hernandez, sorry. Got my fan on, blowing these packs around. Alright. Kane, DeGrom, Jansen black parallel, Acuna, and Severino. Scooter, Berrios. Really nice Johnny Bench. Wow, that's a nice shot. Oh, Yastrzemski rainbow. Wow, some nice parallels in here. What was that rainbow? Oh, and the last card is Stroman. The rainbow foil was 1 in 235 packs. And what was the orange is 1 in 198. Now, if it is the sepia, those are just 1 in 8. But I would assume, I don't know, I'm going to get on eBay and look at the sepias. But I'm thinking that's an orange, so wow. So far, so good for this blaster box. Mondesi. Really nice Lou Gehrig. Warp Speed, Ahmed Rosario. Robin Yount and Cole Hamels. Rosario, Robbie Ray. Bregman. A red foil Mel Ott. And Honus Wagner. Honus Wagner looks like somebody you wish it was like your granddad. Like you could just sit around with him and he'd probably tell you stories, and sit around like a fireplace and he'd tell you the good old days. He'd probably be firm but nice. That's how I imagine whenever I see Honus Wagner. Alright, Almora Jr., Kyle Wright, Emperors of the Zone, Syndergaard, Darryl Strawberry. I didn't get one of him in the hobby boxes, so that's pretty cool. And Rhys Hoskins. That is hobby box, blaster box number 1. That was pretty good. Not gonna argue with that. Let's see what number 2 has. Boy, the seal they have on this is really thick plastic, like thicker than I think I've ever seen on a blaster box. I know that was random, but I noticed it when I opened the first one. I was like, good grief. Although I'm not going to argue with it, any extra protection for cards, I mean, they're already subject to damage, especially when they're shipped to your home. Alright, Kane again. Martinez. Oh, finally a different Power Zone, Griffey. My friend Honus, my Grandpa Wagner, and Darryl Strawberry again. Scooter again, Berrios again. Oh, Alonso rookie red, very nice. I love the Mets and I love this guy. Nice. There is a Bo Jackson Stadium Club Chrome. Man, these blasters are a gift that just keep on giving. Although they're not really a gift technically. I bought them. Let me just say they keep on giving. Mondesi, Vlad Sr., Kevin Newman rookie black parallel, Eddie Murray, and Will Myers. Oh Lord, my dog's gonna start screaming. He's out there by himself. He gets lonely. He's a clingy little thing. Rosario, Ray, JD Martinez, a Beam Team Altuve, and Simmons. Almora Jr., Kevin Newman base rookie, Warp Speed, Harrison Bader, Touki Toussaint, and Yelich. Matt Chapman, Goodrum, Tatis Jr., rookie card, Ozzie Smith red. Yeah, my luck with these parallels just keeps on going. And Reyes. Laureano rookie, Rendon, Syndergaard, Emperors of the Zone, which I just got, Babe Ruth. Babe Ruth is probably the granddad that said, "Get away from me, kid. I'm trying to drink." Chris Davis. Babe Ruth was a granddad that said, "Hey, bring me a beer. Get your butt in there, bring me a beer, boy." Alright. Burns, rookie, Ripken, Odor. Okay, this must be sepia, because there's Chipper Jones. Although I think it's very weird that they put the sepia print in orange and then have an orange parallel. That's really bizarre. I mean, that's not well thought through. Still pretty cool. And Keiko wearing some kind of get-up. He looks comfortable at least. Alright, that's it for the 2 blaster boxes. Very, very, very good results from 2 blasters. These are all my goodies, including the 2 sepia, I guess, parallels. 2 sepia with orange print parallels. I don't know what, if anything, these are supposed to offer. Nope, it just says look for autograph and chrome parallels. Martini rookie, Rizzo, Muncy, Nemo, Zimmerman, DeYoung, Clark, a Matt Kemp. This looks like a variation black parallel. I'll have to verify that, but some of the variations in Top Series 2 have this background, so I'm guessing this is one. But that's just a guess. I'm going to have to verify that. Pretty cool. Scherzer, Emperors of the Zone. Soto. Bob Gibson. And my man, Mike Piazza. Got these other ones sitting right over here. But these are all I have right now of him from this product. So I've got to do some eBay shopping. Ah, there's never enough time. I need more time. I wish there were 3 of me, 5 of me, 10 of me. 10 would be best. Alright, Kershaw, Bellinger, Blackman, Suarez, Braun, Jones, Ohtani, a red foil Carlos Santana, and a warp speed Victor Robles, Hoskins, Murray, and Myers. So I'm just going to be honest, these packs are not all that exciting. You get 2 things in them out of the 12 cards, which I guess is not bad as far as odds go, but they're just not that exciting, really. Alright. Folty, Bueller, Tanaka. That's the first one of him I've gotten out of anything. Contreras, Newman rookie. Another Tatis Jr. rookie. Red foil Trevor Bauer. And another warp speed Rosario. Yeah, that's one thing I've been bad about, pulling the same players on inserts. Griffey, Conforto, and Molina. Alright, last pack. Mr. Ricky Henderson, Santana base, Syndergaard, Carrasco, DeGrom, that sweet Johnny Bench, a Luke Gehrig red. Nice. Power Zone Acuna. And a Chrome Rizzo. Nice. That made these a little more exciting. Very nice. Simmons, Toussaint, and Yelich. That was pretty fun. That was more fun than I thought it was going to be. For sure. So, cool. I don't think there are, I looked, I didn't see any hanger boxes for this. I don't think there ever have been. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but either way, that was a pretty good time. So, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you. Everybody take care. I got more stuff on the way, as always, and I'll be back with you all again soon.